Imagine dedicating just 2 minutes of your day to a single exercise. No gym membership, no equipment, no excuses. Just your body, the floor, and a bit of determination. You might think the results would be limited, but the truth is that what happens with daily planks can genuinely surprise you. Because the benefits go far beyond abdominal appearance and extend to both the body and the mind. The plank is one of the simplest exercises in form, yet one of the most powerful in effect. It looks easy from the outside, but anyone who has tried holding proper form for more than 30 seconds knows exactly when the burning begins. That's where the idea came from. 2 minutes every day without interruption, just to see what would change. Before we continue, if you've tried the plank before or are thinking about trying it, tell me in the comments how many seconds you can currently hold it. And don't forget to support the video with a like and subscribe to the channel if you find the idea helpful. The first thing that stands out is the range of muscles the plank activates. Despite being a static exercise, it engages the entire body. The primary focus is on the core muscles, the rectus abdominis, obliques, and deep stabilizers, but it doesn't stop there. The shoulders, chest, glutes, and even the legs work together to maintain stability. After just a few days, I began to notice changes in my posture. I stood more upright, walked with greater stability, and even sitting for long periods no longer caused that familiar discomfort in the lower back. The reason is simple. The plank strengthens the deep muscles responsible for stabilizing the spine. By the end of the first week, I felt my core becoming noticeably tighter. Not necessarily visible abs, but a clear sense of control and stability. Pressure on the lower back decreased, and movement became smoother. Around day 14, the 2 minutes began to feel less challenging. I was able to maintain proper form, breathe calmly, and even focus on engaging specific muscles during the exercise. In the third week, an unexpected benefit appeared. My performance in other exercises improved significantly. Push-ups felt stronger, squats more stable, and balance in everyday movements noticeably better. The plank wasn't an isolated exercise. It became a foundation that strengthened the entire body. As for fat loss and abdominal definition, it's important to be realistic. The plank alone doesn't burn enough calories to eliminate belly fat because abs are built in the kitchen before they're revealed in training. What the plank does is build the foundation. It strengthens the body, improves performance, and reduces the risk of injury, making any fitness routine or active lifestyle more effective. Here's a point many people overlook: the mental impact. Committing to 2 minutes of planks every day trains the mind before it trains the body. It builds discipline, focus, and the ability to tolerate discomfort. You learn how to stay calm while it burns and how to continue even when your body asks you to stop. This skill naturally carries over into other areas of life. Do I recommend the plank? Absolutely. 2 minutes a day is a small investment for a stronger core, better posture, and a more resilient mind. Start with what you can. 30 seconds is an achievement, then 1 minute, then 2. Over time, you'll be surprised by how adaptable both your body and your mind can be. And if this video helped or motivated you, don't forget to support it with a like and subscribe to the channel. Share in the comments how many seconds you can hold a plank right now, and send the video to someone you'd like to challenge alongside you. And always remember, consistency is stronger than motivation.